Hey, it's Tom Gallagher, the Videopreneur. Check it out. 2970 RL. It's a 2027 model. It's offered by Bill Thomas Camper here in Wentzville, Missouri. I've got a link below for new, used, service, and parts. There's the 2970 RL badging. You have your power tongue. And then we also have the pass-through storage. And I really like that black vinyl flooring, easy to keep clean and durable. Here we have your awning, as well as your steps into the RV. Tandem axle. Check out the wheel and tire setup. Very nice. We'll slide down the campside, show you the back of the RV. We do have a single slide on the off-camp side, and I'll show you that from the inside. And then we also have our docking station down, well, I was about to say down on the end, but actually it's up front of the beginning of the RV. There is the 2970 RL badging, just like I showed you on front. And as we step inside, we have our power station right there. I like the table setup. Instead of having bench, you have 4 chairs. To me, that's very nice. You have your theater seating, cup holders, center armrest, fold-out couch. You have tables on each side. Pass-through cabinet. Really kind of a sweet setup. We have the Bluetooth audio, and then we also have a televator, which is really a nice setup on a travel trailer. You see that on fifth wheels quite often. And then we have a 3-burner cooktop. We have solid wood cabinets. Solid wood drawers inside this cabinet. And then for the island, we have the wastebasket. We have another drawer. And then this is very nice to cutting board. And if you put it like this, you can scrape it right off into the wastebasket or trash can. Center island, we have the freezer on top, refrigerator. I believe I mentioned the microwave oven, but if I didn't, there I said it again. And then you have a pantry, cleaning station, your paper towel bar. Very nice setup. We slide down the hallway. We have the bathroom, and this is, to me, that's an influence from Brinkley. I first started seeing that on Brinkley, where they would have a cabinet with access both to the bathroom and to the bedroom. As we slide into the bedroom, we have a cabinets above, cabinet on left and right with drawers. We also have residential style plug as well as USB-C. We have the backer board for your TV. We have storage. Oh, plenty. I'll show you this. And here's that cabinet I mentioned to you in the bathroom. We also have it's pre-wired and pre-plumbed for washer and dryer combination setup, as well as this nice drawer. HVAC on the ceiling. As we slide back down the hallway, I want to show you, I'm seeing this on the 27s with the Brinkley, or with Grand Design. Any comments, questions, leave them below. We'll catch you on the next video. Again, this is Bill Thomas Camper in Wentzville, Missouri, and I got a link below for new, used, service, and parts. Thanks again for watching.